This is a baked Italian ricotta and spinach protein pie. It serves 6 and takes 1 hour 10 minutes to prepare and bake. 3 cups of whole milk ricotta, creamy and high in protein. 6 large eggs to bind and add protein. 200 grams of baby spinach, washed and ready. 150 grams of diced pancetta for savory flavor and protein. 1 cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, about 100 grams. 1 small onion finely chopped, about 100 grams. 2 cloves of garlic, minced for aroma. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. A pinch of freshly grated nutmeg. 1 sheet of ready-made savory shortcrust pastry, about 250 grams. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and position the rack in the center. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a skillet over medium heat and sauté the small chopped onion for 5 minutes until soft. Add 150 grams of diced pancetta and cook for 6 minutes until the fat renders and the pieces are lightly browned. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds until fragrant, then remove the skillet from the heat. In a large bowl combine 3 cups of ricotta, 6 large eggs, 1 cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg, and mix until smooth. Fold the sautéed onion, pancetta, and garlic into the ricotta mixture until evenly distributed. Quickly wilt 200 grams of baby spinach in the same skillet over medium heat for 2 minutes, then squeeze out the excess water and chop coarsely. Stir the chopped spinach into the ricotta and pancetta mixture until fully combined. Line a 9-inch pie dish with the savory shortcrust pastry, trim the excess and crimp the edges. Pour the ricotta, spinach, and pancetta filling into the pastry shell and smooth the top evenly with a spatula. Sprinkle 1 cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano evenly over the top. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the top is golden and the center is set. Let the pie rest for 15 minutes before slicing so the filling sets. Slice and serve warm and garnish with fresh basil if you like. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Closing line: enjoy your meal and cleaning up is important. That is our baked Italian ricotta and spinach protein pie. If you liked this recipe, like the video, subscribe and hit the bell for more recipes.